So that's what the year-on-year growth numbers look like for Maya. And within that, I can clearly see that growth is slowing down. So, if this was not a pre-pandemic year, what would be your forecast for 2020? So what I've done is I've used a simple tool. Excel has many tools. This is one of my favorite tools. And what this tool does is it'll allow us to use this data set. It'll allow us to use this data set here to see if we can do a better job, if we can do a more scientific job of improving these numbers. I have a history of orders. So I have orders going all the way from December 14 to February 2020, right? And for these orders, what I've done, so this is orders, this is your percentage change. Not a complicated calculation, this is a percentage change. So what I've done is I've made this list of changes on a month-on-month basis. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Excel to organize and sort these out for me. So it's now sorted from the lowest, which is minus 63%, to the highest. And the highest is about 120%. So that's my range, right? Now, what do I want Excel to do? I want Excel to tell me, based on this data, this information that we have in front of us, can you give me a model? Can you give me any intelligent insight that can help me answer the question? What's the likelihood of explosive growth? What's the likelihood of catastrophic decline? What's the likelihood of business as usual? The probability of seeing a drop of more than 35%, this part, more than 35% is 13%. What's the probability of seeing, let's say, an increase in sales of over 45%? And that answer is the sum of these numbers. Broke this down and break it by 62. There you go. So the probability of seeing growth of more than 32% is growth of more than 45% is about 32%. What's the probability, the likelihood of, just a normal month, which is, anywhere between minus 10% and 25%. That would be the sum of these three values. And you would divide this by 62.